Hello, and thank you for joining us at the Georgian College Open House. I hope you are all ready to experience Georgian and accelerate your success. I'd also like to welcome you to the Hospitality, Tourism, and Recreation programs. My name is Stephen Hilborn, and today what I'll be doing is just bringing you through each program briefly and giving you some of the insights into what is being a Georgian College student. Here at Georgian, we have a couple different options for you. You can choose from one-year certificates, two-year diploma, and three-year diplomas, as well as some graduate certificates covering a breadth of different topics in the hospitality industry. Some of the highlights that you may be interested about are here at Georgian, we try to have as much hands-on learning as possible. We simulate and mimic the industry in a safe environment throughout the use of different labs and live simulation training. The majority of our programs are what we refer to as a co-op program, which means they are a paid, typically over the summer co-op period in which you will complete 560 paid hours, which you will get credit for. We're also proud to boast that we have one of the largest Ontario college career fairs specifically for hospitality jobs, usually bringing in anywhere from 70 to 80 employers with thousands of different jobs. So our students here at Georgian College have the pick of the litter to say whatever position that they would like. We have dedicated co-op and academic advisors to help guide you through this process, as well as the majority of our faculty is pulled from industry. So many of our faculty are right now currently management and ownership in a lot of the hotels, resorts, culinary establishments, long-term care, retirement homes, tourism and travel agencies, RTO, regional tourism organizations. And what they bring to the classroom is also that industry in-depth look of which gives you an idea of what you will actually be doing when you enter the industry. As well as we like to boast that we have many in-class technologists, as we have many of these hands-on learning labs. The technologists also guide you through the day-to-day operations based on that particular course. Here at Georgian College as well, we have a whole bevy of different services to ensure that you are successful in your academic pursuits. Not limited to, but some of the ideas are that we have peer tutors, we have peer mentors, we have student advisories that are very specific to each individual program. Casey McNabb will be your student advisor should you choose to continue your academic journey with us, and she is fantastic. If you're an international student or you just struggle with some of the language-based skills, we do have a writing center as well, which helps with a lot of those plagiarism issues as well as formatting of proper reports. We have counseling, and as well as we have many coordinators in which to guide you as well. The hospitality program or the HTR programs are broken down into three different areas. Hospitality, which is baking, pastry arts, culinary skills and culinary management, food nutrition management, and the hospitality hotel and resort management program. In the tourism umbrella, we have flight services, tourism diploma, and an event management postgraduate certificate. And in the recreation field, we have our fitness and health promotion, our golf industry management diploma, our recreation and leisure services, as well as a sports administration diploma. I would recommend that any of you who are watching this video right now take a screen grab or a photo from your phone, as these are all the coordinators and their email addresses for all of the programs that we'll be talking about here. Grab their emails, and that way you can always reach out and ask them any more specific questions you may have. So first, let's talk about some of the hospitality programs. The first one up is the baking and pastry arts. Now, because I work here at Georgian College, I see and smell this program very, very often. It was not too long ago Donut Week, where they created hundreds and thousands of donuts. And my record is 13 donuts in a week. I hope you can beat it. This is a one-year certificate, 8 months essentially, so it's 2 semesters back to back. What you go through is that you learn from the very basics of the whole bakery business development, and it's very hands-on. So you'll be inside our bake lab with our industry professionals, baking and cooking and branding and displaying all of your products as we go through. Next up is the culinary skills and the culinary management. The culinary skills is a one-year certificate, which leads into an option of expanding that into a culinary management diploma, or you can enroll just right into the culinary management diploma. Year one is where you develop your skill set in kitchen operations, a lot of those basics. And year two is where you'll expand your learning with butchery, menu and product development. And there are so many paid co-op opportunities. When it comes to culinary management, this is probably the most highly sought after student graduate from all of our programs. And the coordinator here is Philip Leach. So please, if you have any questions about the culinary management diploma or the culinary skills certificate, please reach out to him at the below email. The next program is the Food and Nutrition Management Postgraduate Certificate. This is a one-year grad certificate that is 3 semesters long. This is a very busy, growing field with demand for qualified employees, and it also is accredited with the Canadian Society of Nutritional Managers. There are 2 field placements that are built within the programs in semester 2 and 3. So on each field placement is 150 hours, and that gets you inside all of these food and nutrition management industry settings. So you have lots of experience when you get into the actual workplace. I am the coordinator of this program, Stephen.Hilborn at Georgian College, and please send me an email if you have any questions. The next up is the Hotel Resort Operations Management. This is a 2-year diploma in one of our most popular programs in all of our HDR. It is really revolving around the accommodations in the food and beverage industry. It's a great way to kickstart your career in this high demand industry, specifically where we are located here in Barrie. We are on the doorstep to Muskoka and to cottage country, and we have a lot of employers who are always looking for Georgian College graduates. There are a lot of business-based skills, as well as lots of hands-on practical application of your knowledge, as well as a paid co-op of 560 hours. Artemise Lalonde, which is a mouthful, I know. Artemise Lalonde is our coordinator, and if you have any questions, please reach out to her at the below email address. In our tourism department, we have 3 different options for you, one of which is flight services. So this is a 1-year certificate completed in 2 semesters, which is about 8 months. This has a hands-on approach program that looks at the real-world industry needs and wants. This is supported by our program advisory committee across many Canadian airlines, Air Canada and WestJet, just to name some. And it's the only college with the formal flight attendant pathway program partnership with Jazz Aviation. So if you're looking for a fairly quick 2-semester, 8-month pathway into the flight services industry, please contact Allison Swarbrick at georgiancollege.ca. Next up is the Tourism 2-year diploma. So this is a 2-year diploma that really focuses on the tourism industry, the 5 sectors of accommodations, food and beverage, transportation, travel services, and attractions. You learn the dynamics of the global growing tourism industry, and this has many placements as well as, again, a 560 hour co-op placement. If you are interested in this program, please contact marilyn.nigro at georgiancollege.ca. Event management is another one of our postgraduate certificates, and very similar to flight services, this one is also a 2-semester certificate, which you can complete in 8 months. The idea of this program is to be able to give you the skill sets and the industry connections to be able to be a successful event manager, and there are many field placements available for you as well. If you are interested in this program, please reach out to marilyn.nigro at georgiancollege.ca. And this brings us to our recreation department. Our first program that we will speak about is our fitness and health promotion, and other than our hotel resort diploma, this might also be our most popular program. This is a 2-year diploma where you learn best practices for personal training and effective workouts. We have dedicated fitness labs for the program where you'll gain this knowledge and the skills and the experience for the fitness and health promotion industry. You will have 2 practical experience placement courses that are built into your programming, where you will be personally training people such as myself, who I was one of the volunteers last semester, through the basics of how to create sound, physical fitness programs. If you're interested in this program, Matt Kohler is the person to talk to, and again, his email is in the bottom right-hand corner. Golf Industry Management is a 2-year diploma centered around the business and skill sets of the golf industry. The knowledge and skills that support a managerial career path in this very exciting industry. Specifically here at Georgia College in Barrie, we have many partners all through the GTA, Gray, Bruce County, Muskoka, and Simcoe who are looking for graduates from this program. We have dedicated golf labs which are hosting hitting bays, putting greens, and numerous pieces of technology. Again, like many of our programs, we have a 560-hour paid co-op and field trips to leading golf facilities. If you are interested in this program, Tim Zato is the person that you'll be talking to. Email in the bottom right corner. Recreation and Leisure Services is another 2-year diploma that we're very proud to offer. This can be done through full-time or part-time learning, and you will learn the business side of the recreation and leisure industry. Some of the curriculum includes conferences, certifications, professional memberships, and industry guest speakers, and again is also a co-op program here. Sue Lemon is the coordinator of this program, and she is looking forward to hearing from you. And our final program is the Sports Administration 2-year diploma. This is a sports certification based course where you will have different experiential learnings, including volunteer placements in sports-related industries, as well as 2 industry placements. We have lots of our faculty and guest speakers are very involved in the industry, and they're looking forward to meeting you. And if you would like to speak to the coordinator, please reach out to jillian.robertson@georgiancollege.ca. As a special offer, if you apply today for any of these programs, Georgian College will cover the cost of the $95 Ontario College application service fee. This is fantastic. You can apply up to 3 programs, and we recommend that you do, even if they're not in the HTR program. Here at Georgian College, we are a family. We would like to welcome you to our family as well. Thank you very much for joining us here today. Now, if you have any questions at all, we now have a live question and answer period, so please jump on the chat or jump on the mic and ask away. My name is Stephen Hilborn, and thanks so much for coming to learn about Georgian College, hospitality, tourism, and recreation programs. Bye.